What is up, beautiful people? I am Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing a snack crate unboxing. This is my second time getting this snack crate. If you do not know what snack crate is, I'm gonna tell you, but first make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a good old thumbs up, and of course drop a comment down below and follow me on all my social medias. Thank you. Okay, so enough of that. So snack crate is a snack subscription box service. It basically costs $7.99 a month. If you want to get a drink, it's going to cost probably, I think, around $12. But I saw this an ad for this on Instagram, and I fell for the Instagram ad and I ordered it and I forgot to cancel it, so we back with box 2. I did enjoy the first box. I did enjoy some snacks in the first box. Yeah, let's get into it. I am purchasing this with my own money. I feel the need to say that. It's not sponsored or anything like that. So first things first, this is the box. This is my address. This is how it came. This is how it came. Yeah, it went through a lot to get to me. It came from Florida. I'm in Georgia, and this box, it sounds broken. And this box been through a lot. Some of these snacks don't sound too good. But let's open it. All right, so because the box is already tore up, I ain't even gonna try to open it neatly. I'm just gonna tear it open. All right, so today our box comes from the Netherlands. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to visit the Netherlands. So of course you get this pamphlet. Is the first thing we're popping out the box. And on this pamphlet, it just tells you fun facts. So one fun fact is, on average, Dutch men are the tallest people in the world. Do I smell a basketball player? But no, and they really love licorice. And audio tape, videotape, and CDs were all invented in Eindhoven by the Dutch company. And there's a lot of bikes and flower shops. Yeah. So it just comes with a fun fact pamphlet, which I still have my one from Canada. And they have roughly 17.2 million people that live there. And if you want to listen to Dutch music, you can scan that QR code. I wonder if it's going to scan for you guys. If it is, scan that QR code and you guys are going to love it. And hashtag, whatever that says. So then next. Oh, they got me messed up. Okay, it said these snacks are expired. Then it says, just kidding, they aren't. But you may think that if you don't pay close attention to the date format. So then you get this little paper, and it tells you about all the snacks that you're going to receive. And then this is what the snacks look like. Look at, this is a ghetto box, y'all. But this is what the snacks look like. Well, this is what the packaging looked like. Really cute packaging. That's their flag right there. For those that didn't know. All right, let's get into it. Yay! They're so squished. So first, oh no, it's open. Yeah, I'm not eating this. You know what? Let me contact Snack Crate. I can't do this. Hold on. All right, if I hear my dog crying, she's in timeout right now, so yeah. But 2 of my bags, like, y'all saw the box. It was squished, right? So the bags are open, so I can't try these for you guys, even though that would have been really cool. And there's chips inside of the box too, so yeah. 2 of the bags came open. One was cookie, bologna flavored. I think that's a bologna or bolognese, whatever. But I can still read y'all the info. I'm real mad. I already, like, when the video stopped, I contact them, waiting for them to get back to me, because it comes from Florida. You know, there's like tropical storms, hurricanes on there right now. So yeah, but let me read you about the snack. Crocky. Don't know if I'm saying that right. So the Crockies are flavored with the tangy tomatoey goodness of bologna sauce or bolognese sauce. I don't know. I think it's a bologna. I don't know them. That's what these are. And then we have the famous Lay's, but these are Lay's Pataggi Jopi. If you're from the Netherlands, I'm sorry. I'm not cultured. But these chips are flavored with mustard, onion, curry, and mayo, also known as Jopi sauce. So good. These probably would have been really good, but I won't know because I am not about to eat that. Ain't no telling. It has been in transit, okay? But I can try the snacks that haven't been opened. Ooh. I'm gonna say these flat because these might actually be good. Alright, so we have a Stroop waffle. Stroop waffles are crunchy waffles filled with creamy caramel placed on a cup of hot coffee or tea to soften the caramel. So I probably should eat this with coffee or tea, which I'm just going to taste a piece right now and then eat it with some coffee in the morning, although I'm not a coffee drinker or a tea drinker. Y'all squished. This box is a whole disappointment. This box is trash. It's so trash. But I'm going to eat the stuff that wasn't open to be a team player. Okay. Yeah. It's like really sweet. That's what it is. Like the first initial bites are nasty. Okay. So this might actually taste good with coffee or tea. I'll put this in a Ziploc bag and try with coffee in the morning. But I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Just a 4 out of 10. The next thing we have are... Alright, so next we have the windmill cookie. So the Netherlands, in its most traditional snack form, the classic cookie in the shape of a Dutch windmill. Cool. This one's also crunched up. So far, this box gets a 1 out of 10. Ugh. This is nasty. Hold up. Hold up. Bro, what is this? It's a spice cookie. It tastes like it wanna be a cinnamon cookie, but it's not a cinnamon cookie. It tastes like you can taste a little cinnamon. It got a little cinnamon, but then it tastes like something nasty. I'm gonna get out of 3 out of 10. Maybe these will taste good with like tea and coffee, but yeah. Next we have these little Rademacher hop cheese. It's called coffee, and they look like this. And this, named after Baron Hendrik Hop, a noted coffee lover. These coffee candies have been made since the late 1700s. So I'm assuming that most of this stuff will taste good with coffee. But let's see. I'm gonna assume that I don't like Dutch candies. I mean, this one isn't bad. It doesn't have like a strong coffee taste, but I could eat this if I was bored. You know how you get like bored cravings? It's like a board craving. Okay. Yeah. I get it like I get it like a 6 out of 10. Like a 6 out of 10. Alright, so last but not least, we have the Zur Matjes Arby Smock Original Sour Power. I said that so wrong, but this is what it looks like. So about that, these fruit flavored sour gummy ribbons are intense but balanced with sweetness. I know I'm gonna like these. I love sweet sour gummy candies, and it looks like they like the little sugar on it. I know I'm gonna love it. Oh, and it says open here. I can read Dutch. Here, open here. Here, open here. Oh, they smell good. I already know I like these, and I ain't got to try them. These get 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. These snacks. Oh my God, they're so good. Yeah. These is the only thing I recommend. That was good. Oh yeah. I'm pulling out. Oh God. So that's everything I got in my snack crate box. I know it's kind of disappointing, being that I couldn't eat 2 of the snacks, but this is what happens when you order stuff online. Overall, like, my first experience with Snack Crate was really good. This is my second experience. Am I gonna recommend it to people? Try it at your own risk.